National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Northeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, South Central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Emmaus to near Green Lane to Trapp, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Allentown, Trenton, Bethlehem, Ewing, Lansdale, Princeton, Emmaus, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Southern, Bedminster, Hellertown, Flemington, Chalfont, Tinicum, High Bridge, Hetfield, and East Greenville. This includes the following highways: Northeast Extension between mile markers 28 and 55. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 56 and 71. Interstate 78 in New Jersey near mile marker 2 in between mile markers 7 and 25. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 64 and 76. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for central, northern and northwestern New Jersey, and eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The severe thunderstorm warning